2 cups of cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, half a cup of mayo, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to be adding some dill for color, salt and pepper to taste. Now, I don't have one of those big fancy hand mixers, so I'm the mixer. I'm just gonna be using my hand. But I have had this out on the counter, coming up to room temperature, so everything should be soft enough for me to do this with my little mixer here. We just let that chill in the fridge until the salmon is ready.